Notice something? There's some knives missing. And I think the ones that are missing are all the good ones too. Notice something else? Back windows are open. That means summer's here, almost. This is actually more than I thought we were going to find in this pile. I bet it's not brass though. Yuck. You want to see if it's brass? Where's my little magnet? There it is. See, it sticks to the trunk, but it does not stick to this. Yay, 1 ounce of brass. That's worth like 12 cents. What do you think? These chairs are nice. Are they stackable? Sort of. Table we can't do anything with, but I think we can grab the chairs. That's about it. All right, I'm gonna get stacking, maybe. These chairs just aren't gonna fit. I mean, like, if I didn't have 6 more hours to go tonight, I might take them, but they're just not, yeah, they're not gonna fit. Wow, that kind of sucks. I mean, not really. What do I care? Seriously, when I sell chairs, I sell them so cheap that... Anyway, let's change the subject to this nice little vise that I found when I wasn't recording. It's a Wilton vise, made in USA. Looks like it's got about a 4-inch jaw. And it fits in the car way, way better than these stupid chairs that I'm not going to take. Look, we found something that fits in the car. Oh, look at this crazy old saw. Do we care about that? I guess we should take it, right? I'm parked in front of a sprinkler right now, by the way. Oh my goodness. I don't think we should have took that. All right. I'm sufficiently wet from getting sprayed with their sprinkler, so let's go dry off in someone else's pile. This thing's no joke. Why am I always pointing the camera the wrong way? Ugh. I might have to stop recording for a second. Hold on. All right. Now what are we hung up on? I don't know if you can see anything, but I can't. Anyway. How does this connect? Might be that thing right there. Wow, that thing's really stuck on there. Ah. Probably got something to do with that thing. Damn. It's like I just don't want to come out. Ooh, look, it's turning. What's it hung up on now? I don't know, I'm gonna have to go off camera again, hold on. All right, I think I got it off. So let's enjoy this moment of glory together. Really? Ugh. My goodness gracious. Anyone want some lathe parts? All right, let's lay this thing back down before it falls. And yes, I recognize that this top piece is heavy cast iron, but I'm not going to take it. Actually, maybe I will. What does that weigh? Yeah, I think I will take it. I'll spare you the disassembly of that, though. All right, so that was the thing we did. Sorry we didn't do it together. Ow, 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 ow. Ugh. Me big and strong. Will it fit in the Camry? Really? Beware the beast lathe. It will not fit in your trunk unless you have a 10mm socket, which I don't. This is called the irrationality of a scrapper. I've been here 20 minutes fighting over like $4 worth of metal. There's probably so much other great stuff that I'm missing out. All right. It's in. When I saw this thing, think that's a little broken, but I'm taking it anyway. All right. It's like a 14-minute video clip of nothing. So to you 16 people who actually watch my videos, I'm sorry. I swear I thought this thing was real. It is real. Real creepy. My God. Should we take it? I think we're gonna take it. Rock and roll, right? I don't know, maybe we shouldn't take it. Yeah, you know what? I would say that meeting this doll was a lived experience that we had together, and she's probably gonna go to the dump. I'm not sure if that's sad, but it's not my problem. I think we get enough clips. So let's wrap this one up. And we'll wrap it up with this. Some very pretty jumper cables. Not very heavy though. Anyway, I hope that gives you a little bit of insight into what it's like to go trash picking for a while. And until next time, thanks for watching. And I'll see ya when I see ya.